Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Let's start with Bitcoin. And let's see what we have here. Daily, we are still strong. You can see clearly the rejection last couple of days. Clear rejection above 100, and we are pushing higher. Yesterday we closed green. We are holding 104. We are still in the short reload zone, but I'm okay with pushing higher or consolidating more, giving the opportunity for some altcoins to pump. Not too different from yesterday. Yeah? We are kind of at the same level, but at the same time we have to admit that it's pushing here in this resistance. It's close to the all-time high. It's trying over and over again to get over that level. We have to still think range here, and the range will be the best for us because we have a lot of altcoins, and Bitcoin above 100k staying there will let them some room to move, but a lot of people want to buy today and get rich tomorrow, which is kind of impossible. Morning Hania, morning Catalin, morning people, morning everyone. Okay, so Bitcoin, it's strong. I like that, but at the same time, my focus is not on Bitcoin now. I like that Bitcoin is above 100k, and I'm watching the other ones, starting with Ethereum. Ethereum here, it's trying to hold. It's trying to hold this level, doesn't want to go back in the long reload zone. We tested this week low, or this tail. Okay, we don't have a W, but looking at Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I could see Ethereum outperforming now. At least trying to outperform a little bit. I don't have a setup on higher time frame here, but on lower time frame you can play some setups. You can play even with Holy Grail. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, we kind of made equal lows here, but we are pushing. We are trying to accept back above 78.6 retracement. I'm not saying that's the bottom. Yeah, I'm not saying that's the bottom, but we can form a bottom there. We can form a W. It's a good location to think long. Yesterday, or 2 days ago, I said don't even think about this to short this level. 003, it's strong as a support. Could be the bottom, and we'll see a small retracement and then pushing higher. It's possible. Look left. Look what happened when we bounced. We didn't do a proper W. No? Ethereum loves to push higher. Let's wait and see what happens, but pay attention on this chart. On daily time frame in February, maybe we can have at least a local bottom there. Yeah. We have setups, Arjun. We have setups. That's not a problem. Now, we talked about Bitcoin, Ethereum on higher time frame. Let's take a look what we have on Bitcoin dominance. We are kind of rejecting from 60% now. I don't have an M on daily, okay, yeah. But nice to see that that level is well respected. Let's change a little bit. Not even on 4-hour chart. We can do a V top there. Yeah, it's possible. It's not the first time. Yeah, look here. V top. Okay, we aimed out at some point here, but was kind of late. I don't want to even say anything about an M here. We have our bags full of altcoins. If we'll M out, if we'll V top, if we'll reject from here, we are set to make some money. For the moment, this is a big range. 5% range, 55 to 60. Yeah, the kind of idea. Nothing special. I want perfect scenario will be an M here. Head and shoulder or M here. Let's say I'll take this one. Something like this. I'm aiming out. That will be the perfect scenario, but crypto is far from perfect scenarios. You can see we had an EM here, but look at it. We had a higher high, a fake out here, and then we dumped. Here, look at this EM. So, yeah, we want a clear EM, but at the same time we have to acknowledge that usually we don't get the best EM. We get some structure there to give us an idea, but not the best one, not a textbook one. Okay, so that's Bitcoin dominance. Total market cap, fighting. As long as we are above 3 trillion, we are set to go to 4 trillion. That's simple. We are fighting 3.5. And we can go to 4. And we can go to 4.5 and so on. And at some point in time, sooner than later, we'll do that. Total 3, same idea. Fighting 1 trillion. I think if we'll accept above 1.1, 1.5 is on the table. But when? I don't know. Consolidation phase for the moment. We are in a range here. Okay. I still think we should focus on daily chart. Let's say 4-hour chart, but daily chart overall to see power of 3 or some W's at the bottom on altcoins. Yeah, we overview the entire market, but some altcoins are forming a bottom. I said it this entire week, I said it this entire month, I'll say it again and again. Pay attention on altcoins. I'm talking about investments. I will not talk today and it will happen tomorrow. Maybe it will take 2 or 3 months until it will happen. Maybe in February we'll pump. I don't know, but I could see the bottom forming. For example, here. Look at it. Here I just need, well, if I dollar cost average, well, hit that level. It's clearly, we got that weekly W retest. But if I want a setup here, please give me a W here. I'll be more than happy to take it. Well, I don't have it on daily. If you love this shitcoin, you can trade it on 4-hour chart. Well, we have something here? I think we have. Can you see something that you like here? TRIers, Adam and Eve. Someone knows what I mean with that? Well, let's just say this is Adam and this is Eve, and we are ready to consolidate and push higher. Simple as that. Okay? So on 4-hour chart, this was a retest. You can see we had even a couple of these last 2 hours. We had a retest of this pattern here, and we are ready to push higher. It's a pattern, it's clear, you can see it there. You take it or not, it's a successful trade or not, well, it's not up to us, it's up to the market. But if you are a trader that trades setups, that trades patterns, well, you should pay attention. It's that simple. Some W's trying to form here. Look at it. W's and OBV. So they are confirming the price action. RSI accepted above 50%. Again, another reason. Location, we can talk about location as much as we want. We have location here. It's simple as that. And just an example. This is the first coin I have on my list because it was selected that way. Not because I have something with 1 inch. No. Seven 8.6 is a good location to think long. So you have a good location. You have indicator, confirmation indicator are confirming the pattern there. And you have W's. Or Adam and Eve, or call it whatever you want. I don't know. It's up to you, people. Not here to spoon feed you with setups. I'll just give you some ideas. The rest is up to you. How you play this pattern here? I'll just put this here until Monday. Let's see what will happen. You can select this one, Adam, and even you can put this, or you can put all the way down. Where I should put my take profit? Well, I have to explain again. I'll do it. Why not? Well, take the high, take the low, put a short reload zone. Somewhere in here should be your overall take profit. Let's say 61.8. Well, Paul, it's far away. I don't know if it will happen. Okay. If you don't know what will happen, you can... Second. You can book some profit here. 3.7. It's a good risk to reward to take that trade. And trail the rest. You don't have to close everything at 38.2 fib. Yeah, it's on premium, Jade. On the investment part. It's not about the list, Jade. It's not about the list. Almost all the altcoins they are looking similar. So that list is just what we looked at the market and what we did. But all the mostly 90% of the altcoins they are looking similar. So you can find a setup. Someone could tell me, well, I have a setup here. I have location. I have indicator confirmation. I have some structure. I have an entry if I want, where to put my stop loss, potential targets. What do you want more? Someone to come and push the button for you? Yeah, sorry. Copy trading? No, sorry. I could spoon feed you on VIP with complete trade ideas. So I'll show you what we do. We take this entry here, stop loss here, take profit there. But it's your decision after all if you take it or not. By the way, the opening for VIP registration is tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning you are free to DM Stefan, do the payment after that if Stefan accepts you. I think we already have 25, 26 places booked already. Yeah, because we have the old members. So from 50, half of them, they are, and not all the actual the members from January booked their place for the moment. That doesn't mean they will not do it. So we accept 50 people and that's it. We don't select otherwise. You DM Stefan. If Stefan sees that you are capable of actually trading, will accept you. The other criteria is if you got accepted and you paid and you are in, you are in. If we book 50 places, we'll just stop. We'll say, well, no more places. It's that simple. Okay. So we have a kind of a setup, and it's not only about this one. Let's go back on daily and let's scan a little bit more. Can you see a good location here? Can you? It's a good location here overall on higher time frame. Look at the POC. Okay. Well, let's remove this one. Low, high, long reloads on 78.6. We have a W on daily? Not yet. But we can form a W? Yes. If you want a trade, well, let's look at 4-hour chart. Well, this looks like a W to me. We can retrace back here at 006 and then pump, yeah. Can you see some bullish divergence here on RSI? Yes. Can you see some W's trying to form here on OBV? Yes. On daily, it's a good level? Yes. On weekly, it's a good level to think long? I think it is. What do you say? Simple as that. All the altcoins look similar, people. It's up to you which one you select, what setups you play. Some people have favorite setups. Some people prefer general setup. Some people prefer power of 3. I see a lot of power of 3 on a daily time frame. That's for sure. A lot of them. Including here, alt. Look at it. Swap the liquidity and now it's pushing higher. If we'll accept, we'll pump a little bit, we'll retest and then up. I discussed it yesterday. I discussed today. I'll say maybe Monday until the opportunity will be over. You'll see the market pumping. But then it's kind of late. I want now to find the setups. I want now to make a short list where I put some altcoins that I want to trade and put some alarms. Up to you. Well, I could go on the entire list and show you the same patterns. I don't think it's the case. On weekly chart, we had the weekly W retest on most of them. And some of them are bouncing like this one. Yeah, on weekly chart, they are bouncing from that level. Why are bouncing from that level? That was just a retest, and you can see. Tested and up we go. Some of them are more bullish, some of them are less bullish. I think this one will do great things this bull cycle. Just my 2 cents, people. Anyway, that's the idea. I wanted to remind you that it's a good location. It's the right time at the right place to think long on altcoins. Don't wait for 200%, 500% bounce and then think long. Okay? Okay. Now, I said on VIP earlier about TIA. Well, look at, speaking about power of 3, W, W here, breakout, retest, and if we'll accept above this level, we'll probably come back and retest $4.2, but I could see this one pumping. Okay. Why, Jay, you don't get that phrase? It's simple. All the altcoins are the same. They are pumping the same percentage. Some of them are still consolidating. Some of them, they are ready to go. Okay, let's put TIA on daily. I know everyone wants TIA to go to all-time high, but for the moment, pay attention here. Every time we touch this level, 3.7, 3.8, $4, we bounced. This time will be different? No. No? So this time I don't think will be different. Either we'll stay here for long, either we'll form a head and shoulder, maybe we'll sweep the lows again, I don't know. I'm not here to predict, but definitely a good location. If I'll see a setup here, I'll play it. And the setup is forming, is power of 3 here, for sure. That's the setup there, forming in as we speak. What will happen next? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Okay. Let's look at Bitcoin on lower time frame. Let's say 1 hour. I think 1 hour. It's okay. Not too many things happen in Bitcoin. We touched short low zone. We aimed out and we have some support here. Let's see if this one will hold. If not, well, then we have a problem. Problem is that we'll get 50% pretty fast, 102.5, something like this. So kind of, let's put a 0.5 here. You can see. And even if you put a volume profile here, you'll see. You can see on the candles, this is the volume is here. So the POC should be in the same area. But also, I could see the market bouncing from this level. This is the first stop. This is 38.2. Okay, so 38.2 is there. Now we can go back on 38.2 and then bounce. Usually it's the first stop. Market is bouncing from that level. We don't know if that level is enough, but market is bouncing from that level. We got exactly textbook play here. Short reload zone, EM breaking down. We are still in the range. We are still okay, but on lower time frame, on 1 hour here, I don't see any bullish setup. Stefan and I, we posted some bearish setup, so some shorts here in the top. Nothing more we can do. Here, I don't have a setup exactly at this point in time. I have to wait to come into the support and make some W's for a long. As simple as that. Okay? So for the moment, we don't have a setup on Bitcoin. But we don't need necessarily on Bitcoin. Let's look for Ethereum. Well, we had a long reload zone here. Now we have to adjust that one. You can see, that's the long reload zone. I see market fighting here. Ethereum is a bit stronger than Bitcoin for the moment. Yeah, we didn't touch short reload zone yet, so we can do kind of an AB equals CD. We have one, pretty deep one here, but we can do the same, another AB equals CD. We are just consolidating here. We just need Bitcoin to stay put, to don't break down, to don't do anything ugly, and Ethereum once higher. At least it's what I can see here. Yeah? Bogdan, you have to put the volume up from your part, because it's the best I can do here. OBS is telling me if I put the volume higher, it's not okay to put the volume higher. Okay? I know that is not the strongest volume, but it's okay. The other people know that already. So, I'm looking at Ethereum here. I want to see a setup. I don't know if I'll get a setup here. Not the best location. We are between levels. But I'm paying attention because I saw here, yeah, this one on 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Let's see. Let's look again. It looks like wants a bit higher, wants to push this level, wants to form, to go higher, to take some liquidity above. That makes me think Ethereum will outperform. I think Stefan posted the setup already. I'll be more patient this time. I'll wait for a better scalp. If I'll get it, okay. If not, next boss. So, Stefan posted a setup already. Okay, people, let's look at the next ones. I'll stay on 4 hour chart for some altcoins, yeah? I think that's the best we can do. FET. Well, 78.6 location. We have something, but it's enough to take us in. I think you should wait for a better W there. It's possible to get a better W. This long reload zone is not valid anymore. Bogdan, please in English in the chat, okay? The other people don't understand what you're saying. Okay, Pyth, you can see W in 78.6, below 78.6. It's a trade. If you want to take this one, look at it. It's retesting that W now. Take it or leave it. What will happen? You'll have to find out. Either you take a trade or not, you'll find out if it was a good trade. 3 to 1. It's kind of a short reload zone from this high. Don't have to be greedy. Take some profit at 3 to 1 if it will be the case, and then trail the rest. But definitely you should think long here. Look at the indicator. Bullish divergence on RSI. Some W's trying to form and bullish divergence on, let's see, it's bullish divergence or not? Not quite. But you get the idea. We have good location and some altcoins have 4 hour W's. It's the best you can ask for altcoins. Well, Bogdan, you missed it again. I'm Paul J. Stefan is the guy in the chat talking with you in the chat. Saga, I played this setup, got stopped out, but look at it now. It's not valid the long reload zone anymore because we took the lows, but in the same time, look at it. Can you see something nice here? Bullish divergence on RSI, some W's, breakout. Maybe you're lucky and you'll get a retest. So, like I said, almost everything looks the same. Look at that W. 4-hour W, textbook one. ALJ if you want. Not the best one, but it's there. So, if you see a retracement here, you can take a long. But if you are waiting for the market to reach here and then to think about the setup, you'll panic. You'll say, well, it's not bullish anymore. Put your limit order, OCO limit order. That's the key for professional traders. We are not market buying. We are not market selling. We are using limit and stop limit orders. Complete limit orders. What that means? Well, let me explain. Let's say I want to play along. I see the W here, I see the level, I want to get in at that level. I'll put an OCO order, that means I'll put a limit order with the entry here, including the stop loss in that order here, and take profit if I want. I could put the take profit in the order, especially if you are a beginner, because you'll hesitate to take the profit, so let it in the order. When you put the order here, you are set. You don't have to do anything. If the market will touch this level, activate your order, then you have an OCO, order cancel order. Yeah? Either will hit your stop loss and will cancel the take profit. Either will hit the take profit and will cancel the stop loss order. Okay? That's how the professionals are playing. We're not waiting. Well, I'll wait for the market to reach here and then I'll think about, no. If you are market buying, market selling, you are paying more than double. It's a bad habit because, well, it's a small amount. It's not a big deal. Well, yeah, on this trade, but you are a trader. Well, that means you'll do 1,000, 2,000 trades a year. Well, calculate the amount of money you are losing just because you are using market orders. The profit could be higher than that fee, if you are profitable or not. And if you are market buying and doing other simple mistakes, well, that's your profit. And then you're coming here, well, I am not profitable, I'm respecting. Well, could be that. Usually it's because you are not a good trader, not because of the fees, but you get the idea. Okay. So, I could see setups everywhere. Secret, let's see. Well, similar. Solana, well, stopped us from the bot. Was a clear setup here. Stopped us from the bot, but we are still between 33% and 66%. So, I could still think I should take some W's here. What I don't like about this on Solana, so I'll prefer to take something else. We have equal lows here, and I don't like that. It's too obvious that they will take the liquidity once more and then they'll push it higher. Stop me out from this one? Well, next bus. 45% of my trades will hit the stop loss. Nothing unusual there. Tao. Bot setup. If you play the bot setup like I recommended, you are out. Why? Well, just because I told you to move the stop loss at scratch. And you're out. I don't see a new setup on 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Okay. Yeah, we can push higher, but no. It's lagging, it's ugly. I could see this one pushing straight up. I could see it, but I don't have a clear setup. I don't like the location anymore. No, I'll prefer to play something else. That doesn't mean Tao cannot go back to $500, $550 and so on. It's just too ugly. I noticed that it's not respecting the setups. Either you play the SFU setups with Tao and power of 3 or you leave it alone. Tia, we discussed it. Look at here. It's trying to form a power of 3 in the bottom. This was a buying opportunity for Ripple. I don't play Ripple because I don't like it. I'll be honest. If I don't like it, I don't play it. Doge. Well, a lot of people said that Doge. Well, buy the rumor, sell the news. Look at Doge. It needs to consolidate a little bit more. Yeah? And maybe after a long consolidation, we can do other things. We had the events. Yeah, okay, well, Elon Musk and Trump formed the Doge part of the government. Okay, I get it. Doge is still below 50 cents and will stay that way for some time. Okay? I don't like it. I don't play it. Jupiter, buy the rumor, sell the news, I guess, on daily. Yeah, we had Cat Stambul or something like that, where they burned a big cat day in and day out. Because it's a big cap, they don't need the price to push too high. They just need to sell into the event. And I bet if you look on chain and you look at the data, you'll see that the team was selling their coins in the fucking event. That event cost some money. On the longer run, I could see Jupiter at $2. Yes. I could see it at $5. Yes. Why? Because they bought some coins from the supply. But is my favorite coin to play? Nah. It's too big. Look at the consolidation. Yeah, I could see it at 2, at 4. If you have bags from airdrop, I don't know to say what to do with your coins. It's up to you. What I did, I still have the coins. I didn't want to sell my coins at 80 cents. Or not. Seeing that they remove some coins from the supply, I don't want to sell them now. Could go back to 80 cents, could go to 50 cents, I don't care. But it's not a coin that you want to, I don't know, to play around. You'll not get rich playing this coin. Pengu has one direction only. And you can see, until we'll see a daily W, I don't want to touch this one. We tried a scalp, we tried a trade, managed to get risk-free, but give me a fucking double, give me some consolidation. Yeah, it was nice and shiny, we had the airdrop, everyone knows about Pengu, and now everyone is selling. We need to stop bleeding, put some range, some nice W, breakout and retest. That will take time, people. That will take time. So until then, I'll still keep my Penguin in my wallet. It's an airdrop, it's a free position. Nothing I can do about it. I discussed that idea that I already have a free position with that airdrop. Yes, well, we're not trading the traditional market, but we should look at traditional market and look at that. Look at that chart. That's bearish. That's bearish? I don't think. I don't think it's bearish. I'll just leave it there. Look at it. It's that a bearish chart to you. What you have there? That's a bullish chart. The worst case scenario, it's a double top, but I don't see it yet. Could push higher. So, in the bad news, so-called bad news, because it wasn't a bad news, as expected with the interest rate, market corrected, and now it's pushing back up, filling the gaps, making a new all-time high, and so on. Pengu felling knife? No, Andrei, no. We are not catching Pengu felling knives or any knife. No, not us. Twitter is full of the same stories. People saying that Ethereum will never recover. Well, look at it. Stefan is posting setups and ideas about Ethereum. Yeah, so you can see we are thinking in the same direction, me and Stefan. We can see that market is respecting that support and is trying to push higher. About VIP, will open tomorrow. You can DM Stefan from today, but tomorrow you should do the payment and you should get the okay from Stefan. Capua 1, 2 places. You still have the weekend to think about if you want to join. We'll start Monday. Capua 2, same. Yeah? 3 places left for Capua 2. Who wants to join? The good part about Capua 2 is that you get 3 or 4 months of VIP included. So, you know the price of VIP. If you put that price, you'll understand that you are not paying a big amount for Capua 2. More than that, after you finish Capua 2, you'll have 50% off if you want to stay in VIP. So, if you are thinking for this year, actually this program is paying itself. If you want to stay in VIP for the entire year, you should go and book Capua 2. Because it will not cost you more money. Just do the math. Okay? Well, like Andrei is saying, hit the like button if you want. Let's see if we have something in the chat I should answer specifically. I see with the corner of my eye I could see the chat, but it's one thing to see it and it's another thing to answer it. Well, you have a W. Where is Arjun? Where is the invalidation of a W? At the bottom of the W. A list of weekly W's on, like I said, yeah, it's on Discord, it's in the investment, on pin messages, but that list is there. 90% of the coins look similar. So, Freed Forest, good day all. I don't know who are you. I know you, but I don't remember exactly which user is behind that name. Popcat. What to see on Popcat? Let's take a look at Popcat. I'll take 2 requests and then let's call it a live stream. Popcat. Popcat is popcatting like I told you. Huh? I think you are the same guy that asked me here, that asked me here, that asked me here. What is Popcat? Can someone tell me what Popcat is? It's looking attractive here, but if you go on Deck Screener, you'll see where this one started. From scratch, from zero. Popcat, it's a meme coin. Nothing more, nothing less. And was nice and shiny. And they pushed to $2. What do you think we'll do now? How I could tell that Popcat will pump back up? I need a consolidation, a longer period of consolidation, breakout and retest. For the moment, what we have on Popcat? 4 hour chart, nothing. Lower highs and lower lows. I'll keep doing lower lows. As long as we get lower lows, nothing we can do. I suggested not to touch Popcat. I told you that me, Kevin, Stefan, and other gladiators, we bought Popcat when we saw it at the launch, at the beginning, and we made nice money. Specifically, Kevin made more money than me. I sold everything earlier. Definitely, I didn't sold at $2, but we made money. Now, what catalyst Popcat has to reverse and push back up? What? The cat will sing harder or what? People that bought, and I know there are a lot of people that bought Popcat above $1, look in your mirror and ask yourself if you are not, I will not say the word, but you get it. Yeah? If you bought Popcat above $1, you should look in the mirror and you should ask yourself, why am that fucking something? Okay? Slap yourself, make a plan, and try to do better next time. I'm being honest here. Harsh, but honest. Why do you think a meme coin, same with the fart coin, above $1? Well, this one will go to moon. Yeah, it's a fart coin. Okay. Enjoy yourself, people. Play a setup if you have with an invalidation. Play with Holy Grail if you want. But to buy on spot and think that this one will do great things, beyond me. Could happen, yes, but I'll bet my money on it? No. I'll play a setup. If the setup is failing, I'm out. Sorry, people. Maybe I'm a bit too harsh. I know people that they bought, and I didn't say any name. I don't want to say any name. Okay? Let's clean it up. You want to look at the deck screener and you'll see the entire history. Can you see what I see here? Huh? This is what I have on PopCat. What I have on PopCat from the beginning of the fucking chart. Let's go there. Well, that's a setup, a profitable setup. That's why I said that we made money. You want to go even closer? Well, let's go closer. Let's go closer, people. We bought here. We sold here. We bought here. We sold here. We reloaded here. We played the setup. I talked about this setup in the daily crypto plan at that point in time. On the DGen channels, we discussed that. And look what happened. Okay, was a nice one. But from this level here was impossible for me. Well, okay, you can play this one. But now it's not new, it's not shiny, it's just a PopCat. Yeah, we have a good location, but it's not enough. What I'm telling you about setups. You need first the location. Then you have to wait for some indicators to confirm. Then you need some W's. I see straight down. Could go all the way back down here? Of course you can. So that's 10 times lower. Could never recover? Yes. Nothing with PopCat. But it's a meme coin that has $300 million market cap. It's all I want to say. There are good projects that they have 10 times lower. And you are thinking, well, to buy it or not to buy it. For example, Stars Arena. This one is 300,000 market cap. Let's look here. Let me give you an example. They have an app. And the app is working. I told you about it. The market cap is 7.7 fucking million. It's a difference from PopCat to this one. And they have an app. It's working. Yeah, you can live stream their audio. You can post. It's a similar thing like Twitter. Okay, you can tip some people. You can get some tips. You can put some nice airdrops. You can do a lot of things there. Especially if you want to build a community or to do something nice. By the way, if I open the Arena app, we are there, and we are doing some small giveaways. I don't know if you know, but we are doing some small giveaways for people who following us. They are following us. We are doing some. Let's see. This is the live stream button. Let's go on the profile, and I could see the small giveaways. 0.1 AVAX. I don't know if someone from this live stream wants 0.1 AVAX. It's something that they want to do. But people there, they enjoy. 0.1 from here, 0.1 from there, and they are building a small portfolio, I think. You want to join me? Well, join us, because it's not me, it's the community. I'll just copy this one and I'll put it here. And I posted multiple times. No. We have 28 people following us. You can see. I didn't break the bank. I didn't get rich, even if I want to take the fee. 1.5 AVAX. That's. And we are staking the Arena tokens, all of them. But you get the idea. It's a total different aspect from the Popcat to this one. Popcat, I don't want to touch it. This one, I don't know how to add more to my bag. I don't know how to buy or to get more and to put it on staking. By the way, I don't know if staking is activated yet. Let's see if I could claim the rest. Oh, look at here. Live. Claiming 24,000 Arena tokens. There you go. And what I'll do with them? Simple. I don't wait not even one fucking minute. No, they are free. Stake them. It's that simple. So it's a big difference, people. A big difference from Popcat that is putting a lower loss. It's 300 million market cap. And this one that has 7 million market cap. When the hype with social file come back, you are ready, or you'll FOMO in exactly like in Popcat at $1 and above. You'll buy this one at this high. And you'll say, well, I found out about Arena and I want to participate. Well, if you want to participate now. In the same time, no guarantees from us, from Crypto Traders Arena people. We are talking crypto, are not financial advisors. Well, we made money with that one, Arjun. We made money with that token. You can believe it? We made money. We had giga tits and giga ass. And we made money with both of them. In the middle of the night. It was 2 a.m. in my time zone. No, nothing to do, so I decided to play that one. And I made, for the liquidity they had, I made nice money. Because the liquidity is low there. You cannot play volume there. You can buy 1, 2 Solana and sell, I don't know, try to sell when it's pumping 10 Solana, 15, 20 Solana without breaking the price. Well, people, 50 minutes again, come on. I said I'll keep it below 30 minutes and I'm blabbing away too much. So, nothing with Popcat. Stay on trading. Stay on other ones. Not meme coins above $1. Like, I hate people saying, influencers saying, well, fart coin will go above, will do great things. Fart coin, it's a, I don't know. I'm still wondering how the fuck they push that one to $1. And people, well, will get, what's the potential there? I don't know. So stay on track and try to play the proper setups, make some plans. I told you about Capua 1, Capua 2, VIP, Premium. It's up to you people. If you want to trade with us, be part of our community, you are more than welcome, but you have to behave nicely, be a good member, and be consistent. That's the key. Okay, people. See you next time. I will not take more requests. Maybe at the weekly crypto review for higher time frame Sunday or Monday morning again with daily crypto plan. I need to go on VIP and trade, make some money. Bye bye.